immediately. Oh my God! The kitten was taken to the hospital by ambulance and had to be admitted to the emergency room because of poisoning. The kind doctors tried to get all the blue cream out of the kitten's belly. Wow! The kitten is healthy again and calls the police to make the evil mouse pay for his actions.
Oh no, I'm innocent.
Haha! The opportunity has come. Oh no, so annoying. The thunderous kick!
Today was a great match. The white cat scored the goal and he invited his